Welcome to Fun Food Stories, where every dish tells a tale and each bite feels like a celebration. Today, I'm sharing 3 quick and easy Easter meals you can make in minutes. These are full of festive flavors, bright spring ingredients, and come together so fast, you'll have time to actually enjoy your holiday. Growing up, Easter was always a little chaotic in the best way. Colorful eggs, surprise guests, and that sense of joyful rush. My mom had a gift for pulling off the most delicious meals without ever breaking a sweat. That's the magic I want to bring to your kitchen today. Let's start with a breakfast recipe that always makes me feel like sunshine is pouring straight into the kitchen. We're making savory Easter breakfast muffins that are fluffy, colorful, and packed with protein. You'll need 6 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of milk, or if you want to boost the protein, use Greek yogurt instead. 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of diced red bell pepper, a 1/4 cup of chopped baby spinach, a 1/4 cup of cooked chopped turkey bacon, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Start by cracking all 6 eggs into a large bowl and add in the milk or Greek yogurt. Whisk them together until everything is smooth and slightly frothy. Season it with salt and pepper, then fold in the cheese, peppers, spinach, and turkey bacon. The colors alone will make you feel festive. Spray a muffin tin with nonstick spray and pour the mixture into 6 cups, filling each about 3/4 of the way. Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes until puffed up and golden. When they come out, the tops should be slightly firm with a lovely golden hue. Serve them warm with fresh fruit or toast up an English muffin for a little extra crunch. They're perfect for meal prep too. Just pop them in the fridge for up to 4 days or freeze them individually. Reheat in the microwave for 30 seconds and you're set. You can also go dairy-free with plant-based cheese and almond milk or swap out the turkey bacon for mushrooms if you're vegetarian. Want a kick? Add chili flakes or hot sauce to the egg mix. What would you add to yours? Maybe feta, sun-dried tomatoes. Let me know in the comments. I love hearing how you all make these recipes your own. Now that breakfast is sorted, we're moving on to a light but flavor-packed lunch that comes together in under 15 minutes. We're making an Easter chicken salad wrap that's creamy, tangy, and loaded with crunch and sweetness in every bite. For this, grab 1½ cups of cooked shredded chicken. Rotisserie works beautifully. 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 cup of chopped celery, 2 tablespoons of dried cranberries, 1 tablespoon of chopped green onions, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. You'll also need 2 large flour tortillas or spinach wraps and a handful of fresh arugula or baby greens. Start by mixing the yogurt, mayo, honey, and mustard in a large bowl until smooth. Then toss in the chicken, celery, cranberries, and green onions. Mix it all together and season with salt and pepper. Now lay out your wraps, add a bed of greens, and scoop in the chicken salad. Roll them up tightly and slice them on the diagonal. Serve with a handful of kettle chips, carrot sticks, or even a fresh garden salad. This wrap is full of lean protein, fiber, and probiotics from the yogurt. Want to keep it dairy-free? Use avocado mayo or a coconut yogurt alternative. You can also swap the chicken for chickpeas and add lemon juice for a vegetarian version. Try adding apple chunks or sliced grapes if you love a sweet crunch. The best part, you can make the chicken salad 2 to 3 days ahead. The flavor just gets better. Did you know cranberries were once used as natural Easter egg dye? Their deep red color gives a subtle festive vibe to this wrap. Would you serve this as lunch or maybe mini style as Easter party snacks? I'm curious. Drop your thoughts below. Let's end with something cozy, comforting, and wonderfully satisfying for dinner. A creamy Easter ham and pea pasta that transforms leftovers into a restaurant-worthy dish in just 20 minutes. Here's what you'll need. 8 ounces of pasta penne or farfalle. Both work. 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 cup of diced cooked ham, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1/2 cup of heavy cream or evaporated milk for a lighter version, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, salt and black pepper to taste, and fresh parsley for garnish if you like. Bring a pot of salted water to boil and cook the pasta according to package directions. Reserve 1/2 cup of the pasta water and then drain the rest. In a large skillet, melt the butter and sauté the garlic until fragrant. Add the diced ham and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to brown slightly. Then stir in the peas, cream, and that reserved pasta water. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. Add in the cooked pasta and Parmesan cheese and stir until the sauce clings to every bite. The smell is out of this world, warm, creamy, and full of nostalgia. Serve it with garlic bread and a side salad, and top with more Parmesan and parsley for that perfect final touch. This pasta is a fantastic way to repurpose your holiday ham, and the peas give it a burst of sweetness. Add a little lemon zest before serving to brighten everything up, or go fancy with a drizzle of truffle oil. Want to make it gluten-free? Use chickpea pasta. No ham. Sub with chicken, or go meatless with mushrooms and spinach. The sauce and hampi base can also be made in advance. Just toss with freshly boiled pasta when you're ready. Here's a little spring trivia. Peas have symbolized renewal and fertility for centuries, which is why they're often featured in Easter and spring dishes. Are you a leftover ham kind of cook? Or do you just love any excuse for creamy pasta? Let me know in the comments. I always read them. And there you have it. 3 quick and easy Easter meals that will make your holiday feel extra special without taking hours in the kitchen. From savory breakfast muffins to fresh chicken salad wraps and a creamy ham and pea pasta, you're set for a day of delicious celebrating. If you love these recipes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fun Food Stories, and share it with someone who needs quick Easter ideas. And tell me, should I do a dessert version next? Happy Easter, and as always, happy cooking.